it's just not from the faculty that you get to learn. It is from the peers that you have, the colleagues, the batchmates that you have. They are from different backgrounds and they have so much experience, and you get to network and learn from them as well. Hi, so I am Priya Ribiawala. I am a chartered accountant and I've cleared all 3 levels of my CFA. And currently I am working as an equity research analyst in an AIF, Fin Avenue Growth Fund. So basically I have a work ex of 2 years in financial modeling, and I have been meaning to switch to the markets and learn about it more ever since I joined my first job. So I thought it would be a great platform to get the practical knowledge, because the theoretical knowledge was taken care of during CFA. So obviously the faculty is exceptionally well, and they have all the answers, and they are handing us so patiently, with even if we are having different levels of questions. And Imarticus has been there throughout the journey, being very instantly responding to our doubts and queries. The process of it was very smooth. Fact that we are here in the campus makes it exceptionally more exciting and interesting, because virtually we might not have been able to connect with people, but here we are enjoying also, and we are learning a lot of things. And for myself, it's like a first sort of experience, so yeah, it's just good. Yes, I would, because what in the examinations or the courses that is there available, like CA or CFA, we get to know about the theoretical aspect of it. But through this course, I feel that we will also get to know practical, how to apply those theoretical concepts that you've learned in the courses that's available outside. And also because people of this industry are there in the course, so we can interact with them and get to know how the practical world actually works.